All right, guys, I'm here. I'm not the only one here, though. Oh my God. I'm not the only one here. Biscuit is here. He's trying to eat my food. Biscuit, say hi. 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 Say hi, Bubba. He says hi, guys. All right, he needs to get out the room, though. Oh. Ow. Ow. Sorry, Biscuit. Where am I? What it starts to the stream. All right. What do we have here? Give me Vic, yeah. All right, we got hourly fair value gap being rejected. We have a 5-minute IFEG. I'm already in short with options. So I want to see a continuation into these lows. I don't know if we'll go all the way down here for today, but I want to see a continuation. I'm in options short already. If you guys are in the Discord, you guys know this. I'll post this as well. I think the music's too loud. Guys, it's gonna be a quick PM stream here. But I still wanted to hop on here because I do think the PM session is gonna be good. A quick. A quick one. We got the 15-minute gaps here. This could be like an unmitigated 15-minute gap that you could possibly look to get drawn into. The biggest thing here is waiting for the higher time frame. As the price started moving up, you guys should have noticed, hey, we have an hourly gap that's possibly going to form, and waiting for that. All right, we're good. I kind of turned it down a little bit. Turn it down some more. This looks really good though for lower prices. I want to see this play out. I'm not taking futures on this. I'm already in an options trade, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna be eating while on stream. I got a meeting right after this, so I don't have time. I posted in a premium. I personally don't wait for any retest. If I was taking this on futures, I'll just take it straight off the IFEG. I posted this in the general chat today. If we keep these equal lows and go higher, I am not going to take any type of upside move. I want these to get swept. And when you look at ES as well, we have a no wick on the weekly time frame from a couple weeks ago. So I want to see that lower price get hit. What are we grubbing on? Orange chicken with chow mein, broccoli, carrots. Then I had leftover tteokbokki from last night. I put that in there. But the orange chicken stuff is chef made. My chef. Let me grab a napkin. I'm short on NDX, yeah. I'm in drawdown right now, but I'm gonna hold it for the rest of the day. My food's cold, but I'm not about to get up and go warm it. Need biscuit to go warm it for me. Bro, this is a 2022 market, bro. This setup would have already delivered like 200 points. ES is a lot stronger. So like looking at ES, if you're looking at this from like an overnight session or whatever, you're gonna need to see these 15-minute gaps obviously get violated. The worst case scenario is if we move up from here. Wait, what did I say, Serge? That'll be the worst case scenario. I want to wait for this 4-hour closure and see. We do have a fair value gap being created, possibly. We'll see. We'll see. The 2020. Oh yeah, 100%. That should have been 200 points already. Such a weird market. This is gonna be your highest probability short trade anyways. Search, regardless of what happens for shorts, at least I would say. I'm an NDX short, yeah. The only one I watched was 2022 mentorship. Yep, I agree.
Can you imagine floating weightless like a satellite?
My overall target's in the 400s, but 570s is a good target too. Oh, on the 250K, I should trade that too. Braun to Detroit, fuck no. You guys not going to Detroit. I'm in an options trade short, yes. I did take a trade today. Yeah, we took a short, hit TP1, got break even on stream. Bro, I can't eat this. It's too cold. I'm kind of worried about Biscuit right now too, because he's kind of in the living room by himself. So I'm kind of worried. Kind of worried. It's unsupervised. Your stop would be if you're aiming for the lows here, it'd be like this, and you could probably swing trade this. Either the swing trade. I don't think we're gonna deliver all the way down here for this today. I entered my options at 6:30 that run the same price here when we hit the hourly gap, but I am in a drawdown. I have a doggo cam. Jess has it on her phone. I should have downloaded it too, but I went out there. He was eating my Sprite bottle, so my Sprite Zero. I was gonna drink that right now, but I can't now. I cleared the area of everything, but if I need to go in and out of them, just know I'm watching Biscuit. What do you mean by that? All right, break through this a little low here. I'd be good. We got a closure underneath the structure. The 0 DTE. That's true. There should be a URL. All right, Serge, that's a really good trade you took. Yeah, it probably. I mean, she's not playing right now. I'm gonna ask her when she comes back. I'm so hungry, but this food's so cold. Yeah, BE in 5 seconds is good. Yeah. (2022) would have had the market like this. This would have been a 2022 setup. Made a quick 180 on my lunch break. Nice. This is what we need here, chat. Let me go check on Biscuit. Make sure everything good. All right, he's sunbathing currently on the balcony, which is good. I'd rather have him do that than anything else. Why is my camera so to the left? What do you guys want to listen to? Biscuit, how kind of you to join us. What's up, Bubba? Chat. chance of shitting in my room is so high. I hope he doesn't. I really don't. If he does, it is what it is. That'd be funny stream. But I hope he doesn't. You guys even see him? I don't need. We need a biscuit cam only. What's up, Bubba? What's up? All right, don't eat my wire, please. Or my button. Don't eat my button. Good chill here with us. Camera's big until he's in. Shit here. Game of probability of him taking a fat ass shit in my room. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Say hi. Biscuit, they said you got bigger, man. They said you growing, Biscuit. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I think he's only supposed to be 22 pounds, so he's like about to hit like peak height soon. Because what the thing was, his dad was a toy Aussie, his mom was a real Aussie, or like a full Aussie, so it projected him to be a mini Aussie. But the way it's going, I don't know if that's gonna hold true. Where did he go? Biscuit, I don't know. I don't know how big you're gonna be, Bubba. Bubba gonna be a random ass size. Hey, Biscuit. Good. What's the over under? Rest man for AQ Biscuit. I swear to God, I can knock my light over. He's just chilling under my desk right now. For sure, Popo. As long as you guys can still see the chart is good. Hey! No. Thank you, I'm trying to get to my food. But yeah, I'm in an options short, not a futures short. This is more of a visualization for what I'm in. Biscuit. Oh, what did you eat? Cause let me move my camera down. Like I was talking about, like I'm not comfortable taking a short. I'm not comfortable taking a short or long, excuse me, until this gap here gets respected in terms of like this IFEG, right? The whole point of this IFEG is to take us to new lows, and it hasn't done so yet. So if all right, bro. I don't know what the fuck's happening right now, but these lows need to be tagged for me to play anything higher. Like I get it, we're in a monthly value gap, but if we do this where we create a 4-hour gap, we inverse it and go higher, I'm not adding to my positions at all, right? Because it just doesn't make sense to me. Logically, it makes sense for us to take out this low and then maybe even lower or higher, whatever, doesn't matter, but then get the move up here. Especially with ES, like I was talking about earlier, and I have been noting this for a very long time now. We have a no wick weekly candle from June 29th. I need this to get swept for us to get confirmation for longs, and overall longs to be higher probability from that area. So until then, it's like I'm only interested in the short setup. On the higher time frame. Obviously, when it comes to day trading, I know we took a long yesterday. That's fine. But we had that daily gap projection with a 4-hour IFEG. I'm going to continue looking for lower. I know it's SMT with ES, but ES still has high probability. Has very high probability. Liquidity is still left behind. Where my phone at? I don't have anything, chat. I wasn't planning to stream, and then I really did it. Do you think we hit your level? What do you mean? This might happen in your Asia session too. Keep that in mind. I don't know where it's gonna happen. You play soccer now. You made JCap, yeah. Yeah, that line's what I would use for like the first like basically to see the reaction from there. That's a 15-minute gap. ES has already kind of tapped it, but either if this happens, that's fine too for now. But I would want to see this get violated. Like I said, no matter what happens today, no matter how we close, I don't give a fuck if we go all the way up here by the end of today. I'm not long in this. My lead positions are very, very clear on what I'm looking for, right? Like even this. We had the monthly gap, but if you look at the daily, we had a daily IFEG. We still do not have a daily IFEG. We're still respecting it. So until then, I'm not going to be super aggressive for upside. What attack are they talking about? The biggest attack ever. Taco. I look for unmitigated fair value gaps. In this case, I'm looking for this unmitigated 15-minute here. I want to see lower, higher. I'm gonna go grab my phone though. I don't even know where my phone's at. My options positions on that too. I have to get Biscuit back inside too. It's too much sun is no bueno. He doesn't have sunscreen on. Yeah, I'm looking for more downside overall. Jessica, what are you doing? You guys can't see him. He's like trying to get on top of the desk or something. This guy's playing this shit. No, he's not. He's a good boy. He don't do that shit no more. Ah, he don't do that shit no more. Oh, how I miss pre-2025 PA. You know, this price action as of late, it rage baits everyone. The PM session doesn't do what it needs to do, and then Asia session or London session would do it, and then we're cooked. I don't know where he went. Like, this delivery is so high resistance, but I know for a fact this is going to deliver to those lows. And the thing is, it takes like 3-4 days to deliver to the lows. Like, we've been having such high probability areas of liquidity, like for ES, for example, right? What was I looking at for ES here? I think we had equal lows. Like, look at these equal lows, right? We had these equal lows on ES. Everyone knew that we're going to go take these equal lows out, right? It took Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. It took a whole entire week almost to come take out some high probability equal lows. Look at the price action we get. We almost came down to the equal lows. We got a reversal back up, and then we finally took it out. This is the exact same type of move we're going to get with this. I feel like it's so annoying, and it's making it very hard to trade. But you guys see him walk out? Let's see how much I'm down percentage wise on this contract. Oh my god, I think I alerted the wrong contract, bro. Bro, I alerted the fucking wrong contract, I think. Let's see. Or did I just take the wrong contract? No, we're good. We can. Yeah, I'm down quite a bit on this. My entry's at 5,200. We're at 3,100 right now. Because of the chop. We pretty much entered exactly where the price is right now, but it's just been chopping. Data eating contracts? Yeah. It's today. I set for 0 on my contracts. What's the best thing someone could do to not go tilt in this? Turn your chart off. That ain't rocket science. Dude, why is none of my shit loading, bro? Bro, my fucking phone is being so ass right now, bro. God. I throw this shit against the wall. The ass hurts. Yeah, I am. I would expect August to be just as shit and then price action start turning after August. That's my prediction. I would say at least until mid-August will continue being ass. We are on week number 12 of choppy price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Week 11. Almost 12 weeks of chop. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That the June 28th weekly on ES. This is the draw. I was really thinking we were gonna get it today, but of course, you're not gonna let us get it today. This will be the main draw here. This weekly candle. Bro, this is 1000% getting smacked down overnight, bro. Like, this is not going higher. I'm telling you right now. Shit. What's going to happen is we're going to create this fucking 4-hour gap. We're going to get a retracement to the 4-hour gap and have the most ass move down. It's going to be like this. Like that. I have a question. How many trades did you take to blow your funded account? Because we had something similar happen today in the chat, and I was really upset because they blew their account within 2 trades. If you're blowing your prop firm accounts within 2 to 3 trades, you should not be trading prop firm accounts, and you just don't do it. Simple as that. You got to control yourself. You need to break up your prop firm accounts into 10 trades, bro. If you lose 10 in a row, bro, it is what it is. I don't expect your prop firm account to survive. Take whatever drawdown you have, break it up by 10, and that's how you want to go. Keep it consistent, bro. People are trading 2-3 trades and then blowing their prop firm accounts. They're risking their entire account every trade. It's like, what the fuck do you expect? The probability of losing 2 trades in a row is so high in trading, no matter what your win rate looks like, right? Break up the drawdown, or you're gonna get your bank accounts cooked, bro. I'm telling you. Sizing doesn't matter if your risk is consistent. If you're having a 100-point stop loss with a $400 loss, total loss, then obviously you need to make sure your micros, you're using 1 or 2 micros, right? $10 micros isn't good, bro. I traded 5 micros today, and you guys want to trade 10 micros? Like, bro, with all due respect, let's look at where we are in the trading career. And I'm just being completely honest here. I'm never the one who's gonna sugarcoat this shit. The inability to realize market conditions and when to size down is going to be your #1 enemy. You taking 10 micros is going to be your #1 enemy. Sizing up is earned, not given. Do you have 12 months of consistent payouts? All right, size the fuck up. Then if you don't, what are we doing? Oh, I think this could drop something bad. Oh no. Let me take my food out too. I'm not gonna eat this right now. Buddy was all over my fucking clothes, dude. Sir, are you still in this trade? On a 25K, you expect me to trade 5 micros? On a 25K, 5 micros? Bro, wallahi is. Bro, 1 to 2 micros. I'm being so serious. Dude, 3 micros on a 50K is perfect, bro. But people just want to be heroes and they want to make $1 bajillion on a 50K account. Like, you need to size down, bro. That's the #1 way to help your psychology immediately. You can immediately help your psychology right now by sizing down. Trending price action. It's good price action. I mean, I'm telling you guys this. You guys are still going to go in there, smack whatever micros you can, and blow your account in 3 trades. It's going to be up to you to take action. I could tell you whatever. I can tell you whatever. Desi told me to size on a Dodgers meetup, and I took my first payout a week later just saying, bro, I'm telling you, this shit saves lives, bro. Any SPF giveaway today? Probably not, bro. We give away 4 lucid crates. I think we're good for the giveaways today. Tomorrow though, chat, join in the AM stream. We have what's good? You could ban them. We have 10 lucid crates to give away tomorrow on stream. So make sure you guys. Look at my, I stained myself. Look at my last video, my last 2 videos. Talk about it. We start at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. We'll do the giveaways around 9:45. Probably won't trade much tomorrow a.m. . You playing PS5 or Xbox? I haven't played video games in a while, but I'll probably play GTA when it comes out. It's gonna have to be a quick PM stream chat. I got like maybe like 10 more minutes. I got a meeting after this top of the hour. You ever scale in micros? When I'm trading my normal position, right? In high probability conditions, I usually trade around 7 to 8 minis, right? One thing I've never done and I need to start doing is scaling into trades. I've just always taken my full position, unless it's a swing trade, right? If it's a swing trade, I'll add slowly, but when it's a day trade, I just usually add my entire position. Most times. Or if I'm like 0.5 R, I just stick with 0.5 R. If you took this short still, right? I'm in this short from options. Just look at 570s as a break even. Whenever we get there. Took me 8 months. Biscuit. Hey. Come here. I buy my first ever funded account with 2 months funding. I'm nervous. What size down? All right, bro. Premium discount ranges? Sometimes, but not really. I would use it when we have a large day expansion. I'll use it. How was it being with Dodgy? I did some zesty shit. It's cool. We hang out pretty often. I'm at this point I see him like every other month, bro. Cool. We had a good time. It was me, my lady, his lady, and him, obviously. We just went on a little boat ride, got some dinner. It's good. LARP. We trade slightly different. There's noticeable things in our. He goes break even after 5 points. I don't. Just kidding. He likes to go break even at swing, like the most recent highs or lows. I try to catch the full entire move, basically. That's. Dude, I can't figure out what's wrong with my whoop, bro. Why does it not? Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it, but I made it too tight. Yep, I do. I do. Which is why Biscuits, I'm kind of watch Biscuit. She's went to Mexico for the week to visit her. Go on vacation with her family. I'm on single dad duties, but my brother's here too, so it's fine. Married to the game. All right, finally this trade's delivering nicely. Where'd you go? Break even 570s. Because we have, what's gonna happen, and what I want to see happen is the next few hours gets a close below here. We get a break of structure back to the downside, and we're good to go. It isn't change instead of delivery because we are still delivering to the downside overall. So just keep that in mind. And it's 15 minutes creating an order block. Guys, just like the models that I depict, right? Every single time. When I look at the 4 hour, I'm like, what do we have? We have relative equal lows below. What do we have on a quote unquote lower time frame? Let's go and do this. Just looking at this. All right, what do I notice? The market left behind relative equal lows. We're obviously in that bearish trend. We have a 4 hour inversion here, rejecting a daily fair value gap. Intraday, what do I see? Oh, we're finally getting a retracement. Thank God. You should be excited for the retracement. What do we get in the retracement? A 1 hour fair value gap. You could take this 1 hour fair value gap straight up. That's high probability as well. Secondly, oh, I need more confluence, Desi. I don't want to take the 1 hour straight up. Well, look what we have. We create a 5 minute inversion and a BPR as soon as we reject the hourly gap. There we go. That is your higher time for a lower time for confirmation. You could take your trades, trim them, whatever you got to do. That's it. It's logical step-by-step process thinking of the higher time frame into the lower time frame. Gotcha, Serge. Relative equal lows, hourly gap, 5 minute IFEG. All right, let me go crate biscuit though, because it is time for him to be in a crate. Oh, he's definitely being bad right now. He just dropped something. Biscuit. We got back up. My brother's awake. Got back up. They just hit lucid crate time. I said biscuit crate time. This is one of those if you didn't take this trade, you're an actual donut. All right, guys. I told you guys we have to wrap up a little quick here today. So tomorrow, make sure you guys are there in the AM stream, all right? Because we have the giveaways happening. Got 10 lucid crates. Also, if you guys don't know, we launched our website. Make sure to go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure to go check it out. There's a lot of good stuff here. If you go to the educational section, there's really good content here that's been put into article form for everyone. So make sure you guys are checking it out. All right, so yeah, tomorrow I'll see you guys 9:15 a.m. Eastern. We'll start the giveaway around 30 minutes after that. It'll be a lot of fun and it'll be good to go. Hopefully we get some good accounts and not just 25K accounts. That would be very bad. Thank you, G-Pow. Appreciate you. All right, peace and love, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Peace and love. Peace and love.